So we have done adding and subtracting integers at this point. So the last thing to do is multiplying and dividing. Luckily, this is actually way easier than adding or subtracting. So if you found adding and subtracting to not be that difficult, then you'll find this even easier. So multiplying and dividing integers is very easy. Step one, you multiply or divide like normal. So if it's like 2 times 3, you literally do 2 times 3 and get 6. Number 2 is to determine the sign. Here's how you do that. Here are your rules. If both numbers are the same sign, meaning if both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative, then the answer is positive. So I'll write this over here. So if you have a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative, your final answer is going to be positive every single time. If both numbers are opposite signs, meaning one of them is positive and one of them is negative, then your final answer is going to be a negative answer. But you still multiply and divide like normal. So there's no opposites, there's no keep change opposite, there's no if it's bigger, you do like there's no determining like if whatever number is bigger, it doesn't matter. It's just if they're both the same type, so both negative or both positive, your answer is positive no matter what. Regular multiplication, regular division. If one is positive and one is negative, you still do regular multiplication, but your answer is negative. So let's take a look. Negative 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. One number is negative, so the answer is negative. It does not matter which one is bigger, which one is smaller. If one number is negative, the answer is negative. So right here, one number is negative, answer is negative. 2 times 17. 2 times 17 is 34. We have a negative times a negative, so your answer is automatically positive. So positive 34. Okay, so make sure you wrote this down so you have these rules. So basically it's regular multiplication, regular division. If one number is negative, then the answer is negative. Otherwise, the answer is positive no matter what. So if one number is negative, answer is negative. Otherwise, answer is positive. Okay, so I'm going to have you flip it over and try some. So you try these, and the rules are on the other side if you forget. So let's try negative 15. Divided by 5, so regular division, determine the sign. Let's try 6 times, or negative 6 times negative 10. Let's try negative 20 divided by negative 4. And let's do 18 times negative 7. Okay? So try these. Regular multiplication, regular division, and then if one number is negative, the answer is negative. Okay, so try those. Now that we know how to do every single operation, I'm going to start doing order of operations, which is PEMDAS. So if you remember, PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Okay, so let's see if we can figure this one out. Let's do negative 6 plus 4 times negative 3. Okay, so we're doing order of operations. So we have no parentheses. We have no exponents. We do have multiplication, so I'm going to do that. 4 times 3 is 12. One number is negative, so negative 12. Now I'm going to bring down this part. Negative 6 plus negative 12. Now you do your addition rules. Your addition rules are, if it's a negative plus a negative, add and keep it negative. So negative 18. Okay? You guys try these 4. So you're doing order of operations. So all the rules are different. So if it's subtracting, you got to do keep change opposite. And then use your addition rules. If it's multiplying or dividing, it's just regular multiplication and division. But then you got to, if one number is negative, the answer is negative. So let's see if you could try these ones. Negative 10 plus 6 in parentheses divided by negative 2. So try that one. Let's try negative 3 times negative 6 divided by 9 plus negative 20. Okay, so try these two, and then when you were done, come show me before you get the homework.